Hello and welcome back to Finastro Cycles by Nitin Bhandari. We'll start with all the scripts which are Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty heavyweights, and we start with the Axis Bank. As I mentioned that it was looking good yesterday. It closed above this line, which is a long-term line, and above this it was looking good. So it has started a rally. Now this is again a strong support zone, which was earlier as a support zone, now acts as a resistance zone. So still, it has a juice on the upside. It looks like it wants to go up, and maybe 803 that could be the possible target. And if not so far, then maybe it will try and test this. No, not this one. This year, Uranus price line, which is 800. But I think it has the potential to go 805, 810 to 820 zone. Next is Bharti. So Bharti, yesterday I mentioned that it is looking like it wants to turn up, or the candle was yesterday's candle was a bullish candle, and it closed. It started a strong up move, and it went uh, and closed exactly at the March price line. So this is a 704 level, 705 level. I think that Bharti has a potential now to start a fresh rally to move to a new highs. Next one is in our radar is HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank today has not given a great performance, and these all candles are not the bullish ones. They are all typical consolidation candles. The stochastics are telling me that it wants to go higher towards 1690 or maybe higher to that, which is 1800 level. Move back below 1550, 1555 will be bearish. HDFC, the bigger HDFC, I constantly mentioned that this stock is not giving a performance with respect to Nifty. It is underperforming with Nifty, and it has happened again that it has not, though it has closed up, it has rallied sharply, not sharply, it has rallied just in the green. It closed above in the green, and stochastics have curled up. So it gives me a thought that maybe in the end it will start a rally soon. So I think that now this stock has a potential for starting a rally again. So I'll wait and see if it breaks below this 2725 or 2700 mark, and then I'll see whether it should be a long or not. On the short term charts, it has again started curl down. It moved up, it got sold out, and it is now still not showing the great strength. So this stock, it still looks not very clear. HDFC Life. Yesterday I mentioned about this stock, and I told that this is a stock which wants to go up now. It has made a strong bottom at the ruling planetary price line. It has closed above this level, which was my level to go long, and now this is a important level for watch for this stock. Below this, then again this bullish view is in trouble. ICICI again, 700 mark is not a strong mark for ICICI. Let's see how it behaves tomorrow, but looks like it wants to go up. IndusInd, the rocket stock, which I have been mentioning, and I yesterday also I told 2 days back I told that this is a stock which will outperform, and today look at the performance, superb rally, 50 rupees up in a day, almost 4-5% up. So it has a potential to go to 1200 or maybe higher. This is a pretty point. My partner's proprietary tool, which is very strong point to gauge where the prices can be time prices can be timed, so you can guess the time as well as price. So it could come very quickly. on the bigger cycle there is a big targets on that which I'll keep updating. But right now it looks one has to watch at 1185, which is earlier high. This is a double top triple top zone. Above it there is a much more higher potential. Infosys again struggling at the important lines, so watch for these line for further direction. It looks like it wants to again go back, so it may consolidate again in this zone as I mentioned yesterday also. ITC is the same. It has a trouble at 237. I'll wait at 230, 230, 229 level and see what it does. Looks like it again wants to go up, but we have to see. Kotak constantly mentioned about 2000 mark of psychological mark of GAN, and that's the level to watch. So I'll wait. Maybe again the rotation, sector rotation, churning within the sector, within the banking. So this can see some kind of more profit booking. About 2010, it is a buy. Larsen is also now giving a signal that it wants to again start up move and go higher. Keep a stop loss 1680. McDowell, I think we mentioned long back. I think in recent one, not, or maybe I don't remember. I have tweeted about it. So McDowell is at planetary govern the planet governing the McDowell. The line is 890. So watch for it. Stochastics are in overbought. I will not aid. Maybe I'll trim here. Uh, Reliance once again. The power of double top, triple top, power of Uranus price lines, and look how it moved. This is a 60-minute chart, but look at the daily chart. So yesterday only I was mentioning it is not looking great, but it wants to go up. So the level was very clear, and once it broke, it rallied sharply. Again, last one is SBI and TCS. These are the two ones. SBI looks like it is tired. It is at the double top zone. So one has to be careful now. It has to go above 470 very quickly for a new high, or maybe a new lifetime high, or maybe a sharp rally. Stochastics are telling me, but the curve is not so great. So it has to show some performance. And after SBI, we look at TCS. TCS, yes, it is in between two zones, 3892 and 3768. Today it closed. It opened in the red and it started moving. It gave a sharp rally, very sharp rally. I think it was one of the top gainers for Nifty 50. The last we look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty is looking. Again, it has closed above my point 17,790, 800. So it looks like it wants to go up, and maybe it will try to go to 18,200 before correcting more. We have to watch it. So tomorrow is an intense day because Pluto is turning direct on the new moon day. New moons are usually bearish, but doesn't look like today's and yesterday's action looks like this market wants to go up to higher. But be careful if it starts moving back below this level 17,800, then there is a big downside is also possible to this stock, which can lead to 16,800 or something like that. So right now its structure looks bullish towards 18,200, but be careful. Bank Nifty is suggesting a sharper up move than the Nifty. It has closed at the Mars price line. It has closed above the this earlier high, which is coming from the past. So I'll watch maybe tomorrow on the if it opens with a gap and above, that would be the buy. The target is 18,750 around, and once it starts moving back below 37,765, that is a trouble for the bank nifty. So guys, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy trading. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.